Would you like to know what are 7 mistakes on social media that you're possibly doing that are destroying your network marketing business? Social media is, in my opinion, the best and the fastest way to grow your business today. So let's do this effectively in a way that you're going to get best and fastest results. Hi, my name is Anna Stropnik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they don't have to chase or beg anyone to join them and instead create a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because on here I share new episodes helping you with your business every single week. And I also have digital recruiting bootcamp in there. You will learn these strategies in 5-day video series. Somewhere around this video there's going to be a link and you can sign up. Here's the number 1 mistake. It's not actively growing your following. When you start your network marketing business, you have certain amount of friends, certain amount of followers, but that will be like, if you're talking to people that every single day, you will run out of people in a month, 2 months, you will have no one to talk to. Every network marketer has been there and they're like, oh my gosh, I talked to everyone that I know, now what? So in attraction marketing, we tell you not to talk to everyone, to actually build what we call your target market network. People who are likely going to be buying your products, joining your business, and you will pick that one target market. But you're not going to start automatically attracting people to you. In the beginning, you will have to do it actively until you start attracting more leads than you are connecting with daily. And by the way, we are not talking about pitching strangers. We are talking about connecting and growing your network here. Here's what I suggest. I suggest to connect with 10 new people every single day. That's what I do. That's what I still do. If I don't get 10 new leads from all the marketing that I'm doing, I will make up for that number with new people that I find. So where do you find them? You want to connect with people that are already in your target market. You've got to follow the gurus that are in this target market, the influencers, different interest groups, people who are likely starting to follow you. You will find them and you will go and connect with them through different hashtags that are in those interest groups as well. You will find them, you will look through their profiles and you will send them a message like this. Hey, their name, I found you where you found them, right? Why you would love to connect with them. See something on their profile, why you think this would be a great new connection. Can you tell them why you wanted to connect with them? And then ask them a question. And when they respond to your question, when you actually have a conversation, then you can send a friend request or a follow request. And now that you're connected, engage with their content, send them happy birthdays, have conversations, get to know them. Mistake number 2 is spamming. And that can be in 2 ways. It could be spamming on your wall by posting about your products that are like a little bit annoying, spammy posts, only talking about what your products are, but not so much on what type of transformation and what problems they solve. And that's all you post, so you're just being an infomercial for your company and your products. And even worse is sending annoying messages. So what is annoying message? Annoying message is when you send something assuming that this person is interested in your products or interested in your opportunities. You're assuming, you're sending them links to check out different videos. That is annoying. What you always have to do is ask for permission first. Is it okay if I send you this? Once they say yes, then yes, it is okay. It may take a few messages back and forth, but if you don't get that yes and that approval, it's very bad to just send random links and then follow up when people didn't even give you permission. This is considered spamming. Mistake number 3, this is something I learned from Fraser Brooks. It's the acronym RVL. R stands for result, V stands for value, and L stands for lifestyle. And we got to post on our profiles in a certain ratio. Number 1 is value. We gotta post more value than results and lifestyle. So if you're posting like every 10 posts, 7 needs to be value-based posts, 2 lifestyle, and only 1 results. And here's where network marketers are making a mistake. They're posting all the results or they're posting all the lifestyle without giving value. Lifestyle will make people know you. Value is going to make people like you, and then results is going to make them trust you. And you need those three. You need like, know, and trust factor in order for people to buy from you. And Fraser explains this really well in the form of a cupcake. So imagine a cupcake, you have the cake, you have the toppings, the cream, and then you have like little sprinkles on top. So the cake is actually value, and then your cream on top is lifestyle, and then little sprinkles are results. And that's how you need to be posting in that ratio. Number 4, posting name of your products and name of your company all over your social media. Here's why that doesn't work. Because when you're posting and when you're building your business and when you're marketing on social media, you want to create curiosity. Why? Because if you don't, you have no idea who went through and saw your posts without ever liking, making a comment or anything like that. And they likely went to Google to find out about your company, about your products, and you will never know. Instead, you want to create more curiosity so people come and reach out to you. And the only way for them to find out what company is it, what product is it, is to ask you. Mistake number 5 is not being consistent. Decide on how many times are you going to post per day and then stick to it. There's nothing worse than when you're deciding, okay, I'm gonna post like 3 TikToks and 15 lives and all of that, and then you do it for 3 days and you stop doing it and you no longer do it. So stick to the schedule. If it's 1 per day, that's fine, but you have to stay consistent. Mistake number 6 is trying to be on every single platform, being everywhere and not focusing on one. I suggest having one as your hobby. It's okay to repurpose content, but you don't necessarily have to spend equal amount of time being everywhere. And then mistake number 7 is not being original, not being authentic. This is really important because I see network marketers constantly posting somebody else's posts, ripping and posting, and that never gets you the attention because everybody knows who is the originator of that post. It doesn't sound like you, doesn't look like you, and that will never work. Even if it's a horrible post that you will laugh when you see it and coming up in memories the next year. You gotta start somewhere. You gotta start creating your own content. I was terrible when I first got started, but I started, and now I am laughing at my old posts. But you gotta be creator of your own posts. You're building your own brand. Don't share other people's posts, and also don't share links to different channels. So for example, if you're on Facebook, now you're posting links to YouTube channel, to TikTok, because any platform, they want you to stay with them. They don't want you going somewhere else to a different platform. They're not gonna be showing your content. So make sure that you do that in a different way. Maybe post it in the comments below. That's how I do when I share my blog. I don't necessarily post it in the post until it gets some traction first. So here are the 7 mistakes on your social media. My question for you is, which one out of these 7 mistakes have you been doing, are you still doing, and you are going to change in the future? Drop me that in the comments. I would love to know and help you out if I can as well. If you like this episode, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you never miss another episode. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.